Hi everyone, hope you all are well and staying safe. Guys, this video is all about beginner's guide to learning basic skincare prep before any kind of makeup application, and I believe we need to get right back to the basics and focus on our skin, as I've noticed many people ignore the importance of prepping their skin and straight away jump to makeup. So guys, remember, skin is the most important area to get right for any product to work effortlessly for smoother application and flawless makeup. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Starting off with the basics, the most important part is to have a cleansed, toned and moisturized skin. This regime is basic yet so essential in our daily lives. So the first step of your skincare routine should be cleansing. It is to remove all the dirt, oil, dead skin and any impurities. For this, I will use the Purifying Cleansing Lotion by Simple. This is a drugstore brand suitable for all skin types. So you can apply this to a cotton pad and wipe it all around the face, but I will take some in my hand. Give my skin a quick massage, even on the neck, and I will wipe it off with damp cotton. So you can use any cleanser, be it foam, gel, oily, creamy or any face wash. Just take your skin type and concerns into consideration before choosing the product. All what you need is clean skin. Coming to toning, it may be an optional step for some, but I will advise you to regularly tone your skin, as it really helps in resurfacing and conditioning of the skin while restoring its pH balance. It also helps to attract moisture and prepares your skin for the next product. I will be using the Corally Purifying Toner. This is great for combination skin type, and it really helps prevent dryness and discomfort. It tightens your pores and gives you that glowing complexion. So I will soak the cotton pad with the toner, and I will swipe it over my entire face. But you can also take a few drops in your hand and then apply it with your fingertips. Our final step in CTM routine is moisturizing. Guys, I cannot emphasize enough the importance of moisturizing your skin daily for all skin types. If you invest in a good moisturizer, you will reap great benefits, as it prevents your skin from drying out. It boosts hydration, which results in healthy and glowing appearance, and it also slows down the aging process, that is wrinkles and fine lines. So I will be using this day cream by Simple. This has SPF 15. If your moisturizer comes with SPF, it's even better, as that saves you an extra step while it still prevents you from the harmful UV rays, as they really damage the skin cells. So otherwise you must use sunscreen separately depending upon the exposure you have. So I normally go up to SPF 30, but in this skin prep I will be using another product which has SPF 2, so my sun protection is covered. I will be taking this product and warm it in my hands first, and I will massage and press it into my skin. I will allow my moisturizer to sink into my skin for some time before applying anything else. Guys, if you follow CTM routine regularly, it might be sufficient for most of you, but for those who are suffering from troubled under eyes like dark circles, puffiness, dullness or lines, they will surely be benefited from an eye cream. So whenever you use it, make sure you apply it with your ring finger, as this has the lightest pressure, and don't drag this area, as the skin around the eyes is very delicate. Instead, use patting motion to apply the eye cream, as it will stimulate the circulation. The one I'm using is Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. Never forget to prepare your lips by exfoliating and moisturizing them for a smooth and supple texture. This will help your lipstick to go on evenly, and it will last longer. You can use any lip balm of your choice or even Vaseline and allow it to soak into your lips. When talking about basics, you don't need to complicate your skincare with all the other skin treatments like exfoliators, serums, masks, so on and so forth. Although all these steps are equally important and they can be a really positive inclusion targeting your specific skincare needs, but in this video we're only talking about basics. Now coming to primers, I would personally recommend you to wear a primer as it creates a smooth base for your makeup to glide on better and it keeps it in place for a longer time. I will be wearing the Dolce & Gabbana Sheer Radiance makeup base. This comes with SPF 30. So you can wear primer all over or just on the trouble spots, like to minimize the pores or to mattify the T-zone. So I will wear it all over. An important tip for you guys, don't wear too much primer as the foundation might roll off from the skin, and work your primer well into the skin and let it set for a while before applying your foundation. So guys, I'm done with my basic skin prep for makeup application. Please don't ignore these steps as how well you prep and prime will ultimately define your final look. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.